Boys and girls, welcome to our lessons for today. Today, let us learn about the farm animals. The first lesson will be the baby animals. The objectives for today is the child will use a wide variety of words to label and describe things and actions. The second one is the child will use information learned from books by describing, relating, categorizing, or comparing and contrasting. For the lesson of the baby animals, parents, please read the book of Baby Bear, What Do You See? You can find this book at youtube.com, or you can read any book that is about the baby animals. Print out the small cards with pictures of mother animals and their babies, or draw your own pictures. Use the cut-out pictures to make a chart of farm animals. Explain to your child that the baby animals often have different names than their mother animals. Say, let's learn about the animals and its baby names. Say, cow. What is the name for a baby cow? Calf. A baby cow is a calf. Say, sheep. What is the name for a baby sheep? Lamb. A baby sheep is a lamb. Keep playing a matching game with your child by using the cards that were drawn or printed out earlier. At the end of this lesson, please have your child answer the question, what is the name of this baby animal? By copy down the words or draw pictures on a piece of paper. Next lesson of farm animal is the farm animals products. Again, parents, please read the book of How Animals Give Us Food by Linda Stanford. You may find this book at clever.com, my own channel. Also, make a list of all the different foods that come from farm animals. Divide the foods into meat group, egg groups, and milk groups. Have your child draw or cut out the small pictures to help illustrate the chart. Ask your child, which animals give us meat? They may cow, chicken, or other answers. Ask, which animals give us eggs? Chicken, duck. Ask, which animals give us milk? It can be cow or goat. Again, have your child put their answers on a piece of paper by copying down the words or draw pictures. Email the assignment back to your teacher. And the questions are, do you know what the product comes from the cow? Another one is, do you know what other things we can make using animal products? Bye. We'll see you next time.